Welcome to Dorman Products Split Brake Dust Shield Installation video. Before you begin, this has been considered a moderate installation by our technicians. Suggested time of the installation is about 1 hour per side. Tech note: our split brake dust shields come in 2 pieces, allowing you to replace without having to remove the axle shaft, saving you both time and money. Begin the installation by removing the tire. Once the tire has been removed, loosen the caliper and hang. Remove the rotor and parking brake hardware. Using a wrench, loosen the 4 bolts holding the dust shield to the axle. Penetrating oil recommended. Once bolts are off and original dust shield is loose, slide the parking brake pivot through the opening in the dust shield. Now, cut the dust shield to remove from axle. Finally, line up and attach the new 2-piece dust shield. Reuse existing hardware. Then reinstall in the reverse order to complete the installation.